Hello crafters, Amanda here. So I have recently shared a video about how to make snow globe shakers. Now invariably I will always get the odd comments that go, well, what if you don't have this, or what if you don't have that? What if you don't want to cut foam tape because it's going to make your scissors sticky? So I have, as my husband says, an answer for everything. No foam tape, no problem. Here's what you do. So we use foam tape to make our life easier as crafters, really. All it is double-sided tape that gives us dimension. Okay, so it's useful in shakers because it's quick and easy. Also, if you're adding dimension to projects and you're layering up, like the traditional decoupage is where you layer different images on top of each other for dimension, this is what we use, just because it's relatively cheap, it's quick and it's easy. But what you can do, and most of you will know this, but I do get comments, you know, that say, well, blah blah. Well, don't worry, because I've got an answer. So you get some packaging, okay? I like fajitas, I don't know if you like them, and no, I can't make them from scratch because I'm a terrible cook, so it comes out of a packet. Sue me. I can't cook. Oh dear, I'm rubbish, yeah. So if you're Mexican or wherever fajitas come from, I would just assume they're Mexican. I could very well be wrong again. I'm normally right, but not always. I don't know how to make them, but I love them. Right, so if we were doing the snow globe shaker, so to get the dimension, what you can do instead of using foam tape is you can just cut circles. Now, obviously, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use different size punches so it shows clearer. So if you're layering up circles with a smaller size in the middle, then you start with the smaller one. Okay, I wasn't concentrating there because I was blabbering on about fajitas. And then you go in with your larger one. Obviously, now this is not always possible depending on the thickness of what you're using. Sometimes you'll see that I don't do this, and that's because I know my punches don't like what I'm punching, or I've got several layers at once. This is just one layer. I'm just trying to get it reasonable. So you'd cut that and then you'd cut another. Okay, it's very technical. I'm going to have room there. Okay, save these because you can use these for layering things on. You know, when you buy expensive paper lines like Graphics 45, for example, they will have chipboard pieces in that you add to your project for dimension. All they are is thick cardboard. That's all it is. So then you would get your two pieces and you glue them together, and you've automatically got dimension there that's going to be raised up because you're adding layers. So that is what you do if you don't have or don't wish to use foam tape. It's also a really, really good way to use up, you know, recycled products. Packaging is fantastic for crafting. Just don't end up hoarding, you know, every single package that you've ever opened, or else you end up with your craft room full of packaging that you're not going, you know. What I do is I will use it as I need it. So I'll think on before I put something in the recycle bin. Do I need some cardstock today? Yes I do, I'll save it. No I don't. Right, it's going in the recycle bin because another one will come along another day. Don't hoard packaging. Okay, don't hoard it. I'm going, it's just gone from foam tape to telling you not to hoard. But there you go. I hope that helps. I hope that answers the inevitable what if questions. You know, which, you know, obviously everybody's got a different way of doing things, and that's fantastic, and that's what makes the world go around. But there you go. Dimension with cereal packets, fajita packets, whatever. Alright, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.